Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Vehicle Engine Lock System for Theft and Alcohol Detection. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3 5 volts power supply module. GSM SIM 800L we are using GPRS modem. SIM 800L. You can use a 2G or 3G SIM card. GPS module, GPS GY6M V2 GPS module we are using to track the satellite location and exact vehicle position. Arduino Uno R3 ADXL335 rash driving detection, theft key, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So engine, it is connected to the 7th pin. Alarm, it is connected to the 6th pin. MQ3 alcohol sensor, it is connected to the A2. ADXL335, it is connected with the A0, A1. GPS 3rd pin, external interrupt serial. So internal serial RXTX. So owner can start the engine using SMS. Start capital S dot small letters engine on vehicle start, and owner can stop the engine through SMS to start at SMS to stop. If any key detected, owner will receive the SMS alert. In between alcohol detected, vehicle should be stopped automatically. Slowly it will stop and it will send the SMS. So owner, if the vehicle is going on road, owner can stop the vehicle. There is no alcohol. So if rash driving, if theft detected, rash driving, it is going very rash, we will detect rash driving alert. So owner can stop the vehicle. So let's coming into the hardware part. So let's start with the power supply. So here we are giving the adapter input. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So same power it goes to this Arduino board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So power supply unit, Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 IC, 80 mega 328 IC, total 28 pin. So A0 to A5 analog pins. A0, A1 it is connected to the MEMS accelerometer. A2 it is connected to the alcohol sensor. So here 0 and 1 it is connected to the GSM modem. Third it is connected to the GPS module. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L. So I am using Airtel SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Any SIM card you can use. Okay, GPS module. If GPS is not coming, you can remove this and you keep it outside window, you will get the location. So ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor. Theft key, it is connected to the 5th pin. Alarm, it is connected to the 6th pin. Motor, it is connected to the 7th pin. 5th pin, 6th pin, 7th pin. And a serial, external serial, 3rd pin. 0 and 1 GSM. A0, A1 MEMS accelerometer. A2 alcohol. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 LCD display. 16 cross 2 LCD display. Character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Let's start with the power supply. Power on. Vehicle theft detection. Okay. GSM, GPS. So it is coming 0, 0. So you need to reset this. So here GPS also one LED is there. So back side red color LED is there. So if it is not coming GPS, you need to wait some time. 0, 0 is coming. Yeah, LED blinking is started. So once reset, GPS blinking started. We will get exact location on the LCD display. So latitude, longitude value came. GPS is okay. Initialization of GSM modem. Initialized successfully. Open the app, and you can use app or you can use directly SMS. No key detected, no key detected, then no alcohol. Okay, so let's owner will start the engine. Okay, so there is SMS called, so there is SMS called mode engine on. Okay, engine on, engine on star. So there is no caps lock. Engine on star. Owner is owner starting the vehicle. Okay, engine is on. So in between, if alcohol is detected, we will get the SMS alert. Okay, alcohol, otherwise you can take any sprayer or anything. Okay, alcohol detected, sending SMS. We will receive one SMS alert. Yeah, alcohol detected, 00 came. Okay, somebody detected, alcohol detected, latitude value, longitude value. If you press like this, you can open this. Okay, just once. Okay, then you can reset this, otherwise better reset. Okay, so my internet is very slow. It will show the exact location on the Google map. Okay, latitude value, longitude value. So we will go for the theft key. Otherwise owner can start the engine or owner can stop the engine. Okay, initialized GSM modem, initialized successfully. So now theft detected. Okay, red is stop, green is turn. Engine on, engine on. Okay, Google map location. Okay, yeah, see, somebody taken the vehicle, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, so any rash driving, any rash driving, rash driving, SMS alert. In between alcohol also we can detect. Yeah, rash driving, rash driving, vehicle location, latitude value, longitude value. Open the map just once, so we can see SVS embedded. Okay, engine, no alcohol. Okay, owner can stop the vehicle permanently, that is called vehicle stop. Vehicle stop, owner is stopping the vehicle permanently. Yeah, engine is off. Vehicle stop, VECHSTOP. I will send 3 commands. So here it is there. What are the commands? All are small letters. Capital letter S, ash, capital S, ENGINE on star, engine start, engine off, or motor off, vehicle stop permanently, VECHSTOP star. So permanently the engine is off. So engine stopped, vehicle location, latitude value, longitude value. So theft key is on only. Okay, now total it will not detect the key and the engine will also stop. So let's go for engine off, then reset the kit. Okay, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem. Initialized successfully. Okay, then no alcohol, no key. Now key detected. Key detected. We will get SMS alert. Okay, somebody taken the vehicle. Message sent. Key detected. Engine on. No alcohol. Now I am giving the alcohol. Okay, now I am giving the alcohol. Any sprayer or anything. Okay, alcohol detected. Latitude value, longitude value. Okay, alcohol detected. Latitude value, longitude value. Engine off. Okay, it says, oh, already key detected na, like that only. So I will stop permanently. So otherwise we can go for permanently the vehicle off, means we will send SMS. Hash cap motor off. Vehicle stop. Start. So alcohol detected. After that we can permanently off also. I will do that. Okay, vehicle is permanently stopped. So next, owner can start the engine and owner can stop the engine. Engine on, start. After receiving the SMS alert, we will do engine on, engine off. Yeah, engine stopped permanently. Okay, no alcohol. So I am doing engine on. Yeah, engine is on. So owner can start the engine and owner can stop the engine. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded. Stop motor off. Motor off. Motor will off.